Hello friends, once again welcome back to another new video from Health and Techie. Today in this video, I will show you a special trick to get more and more chilies on your chili plant. So before we begin, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button to see more videos just as like these. These are the chilies which are growing in my garden. And I have got about 500% of more chilies using this special trick. First of all, you have to take little bit of urea. You can buy the urea from the shop. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take about 25 grams of urea into a separate container. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 liter of water into the urea. Remember to add 1 liter of water to 25 grams of urea. That will make a solution of a 25% of urea, and then you have to mix the solution until all the urea is dissolved into it. Please make sure that all the urea is dissolved into the water. And now what you should do is you should take a sprayer and you should separate the urea solution into a sprayer bottle. Spraying the urea directly onto the chili plants will encourage more flowering onto the chili plants, and hence you will get maximum yield from the chili plant itself. Now I will show you how to apply this to your chili plants. You should spray this solution directly into the leaves during each 15 days, that is twice in a month, and you can clearly see that the flowering in your chili plants will be increased, and thereby you will get maximum number of chilies from your plants. Hope you like the video. If you have any doubts about this video, please let me know in our comment section. Once again, thanks for watching and have a very wonderful day, guys.